ThumbReel is a cloud-based application that helps you design thumbnails for your videos, for YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, or any kind of video out there. ThumbReel not only helps you design thumbnails for your videos, but also helps you remove backgrounds from your pictures, so you can add your own picture in your thumbnail and add more text. It also helps you snap a screen capture from your existing video, so you can add text and everything and convert that into a thumbnail. Now, ThumbReel uses over 100 templates that have been designed by designers to make sure your videos stand out, get more attention, and also are good looking. Now, more than doing just designing a thumbnail, ThumbReel also helps you analyze your channel, analyze your thumbnails. It helps you track your traffic growth and so much more. So in this tutorial, we're going to walk into all of that, right? So first step first, let's create a thumbnail. So I'm going to go to create and choose templates. Now you get access to over 100 thumbnail templates, and these are the exact same thumbnail templates that are being used by hundreds and hundreds of YouTube content creators every single day. So you can be sure that these templates are designed to get you more attention, get you more views. So the easiest way is to simply just edit them a little bit and use them as they are. But let's pick our template and start editing it. Let's start with this one. I can either preview it, or I could just go ahead and start editing it. Now when I click on edit, the editor opens up and there are tons and tons of options of how you can edit your thumbnail. And once your thumbnail is loaded up, you can click on any of the text and you can edit them to whatever you want, right? You can remove the pictures, you can drag them anywhere you want. If you want, you can remove them. You can go ahead and you can search from millions of pictures that you can add with just one click. If I click on it, it's just going to add the picture onto the thumbnail, and I can drag it, resize it the way I want. I can bring it up, I can bring it back, I can bring it back up, I can delete it, I can do whatever I want. I can also choose from patterns to use them as backgrounds. I can also upload my own image. So for example, I want to add my own image, so it adds the thumbnail image over here, and I can resize it and I use it as a watermark or whatever I want. I can also change the background color if I don't want to use a background image. Now I can add tons of effects by simply customizing the background, selecting a layer and then just simply customizing it the way I want. There are tons and tons of options here for you to keep tweaking your your specific layer that you're trying to use. If I disable it, now what if I want to replace this person's picture with my own picture? I'm going to show that to you as well. But moving forward, if I want to add more text, I can simply click on this. It's going to add more text. I have 3 different text choices that I can do from. I can add them, I can change their font from hundreds of fonts, font size, color, customize them, add layer spacing, letter height, text opacity, and a lot of other features. Now these are very, very highly customizable options that are included in ThumbReel. Now if I go to cinema, I've got option to add basic icons if I want to. I can add emoticons if I want to, and emoticons are really powerful and they stand out, help you get more more visibility on your thumbnail and get you more clicks on your videos. I can add a top or bottom layer just like this. I can bring it forward, I can move it back, I can write my text here if I want. I can drag this right over here and put it up front. I can move it back a little bit, bring it back front, move it back, move it front, whichever way I want. I can upload my own graphics if I want. That will show up over here. I can add more shapes if I want. If I want to add a border, I can add a border to any certain element. Change the color of this border and drag and resize it the way I want. There you go. And you can add different multiple shapes like these. You can add a shape like this, move it back, and it just lets you stand out a little bit. Then you can add border to your thumbnails. Different kinds of border options available. and you can either save it, publish it, or download. When you click on publish, it's going to open up a dialog box where you can actually select the YouTube channel and the YouTube video. So if I select my YouTube channel, I can select any video I want, and it's going to go ahead and update this thumbnail on that specific channel right inside from the dashboard. Thumbnail changed successfully. I can also download this thumbnail if I want to right over here. So downloaded it, and I can save this design, and I can later edit it. So it's saved as a template, so I can later edit it the way I want. Now, what if I want to add my own picture? So I'm going to go to remove background feature up here. I'm going to add a picture of mine. I'll process it, and it's going to remove all the background from this picture and just leave a cutout of me. So I can add my own cutout into the thumbnail. Now I can download this cutout, or I can just simply click on edit, and it's going to take me to a blank canvas where I can right over here go and select this. And let's say my video is about photography. So I'm going to do this, move it back, and there we are. Now if I wanted to take a snapshot, I can go to select snap from video. I'm going to select my YouTube channel, which I have connected, and I can pick any video from here that I have uploaded. These are all random videos, and once I click on it, it's just going to open up this little screen. Is going to play the video, and if I click on select the frame, it's going to select this frame. It's going to create a snapshot. The snapshot is right over here, and I can later go ahead and edit this snapshot into any thumbnail I want. Now this is all about creating thumbnails, creating winning thumbnails that get you perfect and more views, perfect attention, makes your video stand out. How about ranking and tracking everything? So there are advanced features. Now let's go into analysis. What analysis essentially does, it tells you whether your thumbnail is safe for Google or not. So let's upload this thumbnail that we just created. What analysis is going to do is going to scan this thumbnail and tell you whether Google can read all the text on these thumbnails, because if your text is readable and if Google can read the text in your image, in your thumbnail, it will take that text as a metadata and help you in your video ranking. So it tells you what this thumbnail is more about. It tells you, what kind of things are in the template, what kind of text are mentioned in the template. So if you have a keyword, a phrase, you should definitely write that keyword or phrase in the thumbnail. So when Google reads it, it helps in your SEO optimization. And it tells you if it's violating any of YouTube's content policies, so you are 100% sure and confident that your video is not going to be flagged by YouTube for any changes. So this is analysis. Now ThumbRanker is a feature where you select your YouTube channel. It tells you, it scans your channel and understands your channel's history, studies the channel history, and tells you which YouTube video of yours needs their thumbnail to be changed in order to get better ranking. So if it says green over here, it means this video is fine, you don't need to change the thumbnail. But if it says red over any video, it means you should change the thumbnail of this video, and this will help you get more view. Once you change the thumbnail of this video, YouTube is going to give your video a little bit of boost to see if your video would perform better. So again, ThumbReel helps your older videos get more better ranking and more views as well if you follow the ThumbRanker feature and upload a new thumbnail. Now the final one is video stats. Video stats is a page where you can track your entire YouTube channel and show you how many views, likes, dislikes, and comments your videos have. I will tell you why views. Now these are the number of views since yesterday. So follow this video. If I click on follow this video, what this will do is, if I come back tomorrow on this page, it will tell me how many views I had yesterday and how many views have grown since yesterday. So you can track, once you've changed your thumbnail, you can track how many extra views your new thumbnail has got you in. So as I can see, it says thumbnail changed 0 days ago, so there are no views on this one yet. But once I start following it, if I come back tomorrow, it's going to tell me I now have 5 views. So earlier there was just 1 view, but since I changed the thumbnail, my views have started increasing. So you can track all of this data using Video Statspace. Now, this is all that ThumbReel lets you do. It's really easy to use, and it takes into account the smallest things that most designers, most video creators, most content creators don't think about, and help you get more attention, get more views from your videos by doing things that you would otherwise have not done. Now, again, if you have any questions regarding ThumbReel, if you need any new template, or if you have any feature suggestions, simply click on this little icon and reach out to us, or otherwise you can also reach out directly, email to our customer support team at support@vineasx.com, which is vineasx.com. Again, if you need anything else, please reach out to us. We are super excited to have you on board and look forward to helping you design better thumbnails and get more views on your YouTube and Vimeo videos. Cheers.
Let me tell you guys, this software is amazing. It just made my job more easier.
Now I can get more views, more people click on my videos because of the custom thumbnails.
It's fun to use, it's easy to use.
Internet is so simple that a newbie will not have difficulty in using this software.
Because it was too easy to use. It's like having one app with a lot of tools inside.
Overall, I think this is a wonderful software.
Get this software, you guys gonna love it, okay?
If your videos are getting ignored on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or even on your own website, then keep watching, because I'm going to show you a brand new technology that can inject any of your videos with hundreds or even thousands of extra views, bringing you more subscribers and more money starting right now. Did you know YouTube recently revealed that 90% of their highest viewed videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails? It's official. Creating your own customized, attention-grabbing thumbnails is one of the fastest ways to boost your views overnight, turning easily ignored videos like this into eyeball-grabbing videos like this, without changing your titles, descriptions, keywords, or video content at all. Problem is, creating awesome thumbnails is hard work. You'll need design skills and creativity, expensive and complex design software, and at least 30 minutes to create a single thumbnail. Or you'll need to spend lots of money hiring an expert instead. Not anymore. In just 60 seconds, ThumbReel creates impossible to ignore video thumbnails that are proven to ignite video views, subscribers, and sales in any niche. Turn this into this, and watch your views, leads, and sales explode with every video you publish. With ThumbReel, you can boost your video views in 3 simple steps. Pick a thumbnail template that's already proven to get views in your niche. Customize the template by adding your video title, your own images and emojis, change colors, fonts, and so much more. Download your thumbnail or publish directly to your video in a couple of easy clicks right inside ThumbReel. Then, sit back and watch your video views explode. All thanks to the attention-grabbing thumbnail you created in seconds using ThumbReel. So, it's time to stop paying monthly fees for fancy design software and stop wasting time and money with boring thumbnails that get your videos ignored. Instead, simply point and click your way to killer video thumbnails in seconds from now on. ThumbReel is the #1 thumbnail creator for 2020, and it's packed with over 100 scientifically proved video thumbnail templates that can send your video views, subscribers, and sales into overdrive. Each thumbnail template is based on the same winning templates used by thousands of successful content creators on YouTube right now, so there's no excuse. Just log in from anywhere in the cloud, click a few buttons, and instantly give your video a brand new attention-grabbing thumbnail in seconds. Use the easy drag and drop editor to create any kind of thumbnail you want. Add or remove text, graphics, banners, shapes, top and bottom bars, edit fonts, edit colors, add filters, and so much more. Plus, there's more. Connect your YouTube account in a single click with our ThumbRank scanner technology will automatically uncover weak thumbnails in your YouTube videos and allow you to instantly replace them with fresh new thumbnails in a single click. Then, our groundbreaking thumbnail analyzer technology will scan your existing thumbnails and instantly tell you how SEO friendly and YouTube compliant they are, helping you avoid penalties and getting you more views from day one. There's simply no other traffic getting technology like this on the planet right now. ThumbReel works, and it will get jaw-dropping results for you or you pay nothing. It's a fact. The more views your videos get, the higher they appear in Google and YouTube, bringing you even more free leads and sales for every video. So it really does pay to have awesome thumbnails, and ThumbReel does all the heavy lifting for you. No special design skills, no Photoshop, and no more wasting precious time. Use ThumbReel to create killer thumbnails that suck in viewers like crazy in seconds from now. Plus so much more, including automatic one-click background removal, allowing you to remove backgrounds for any image you want to use in your thumbnail. Awesome thumbnail stats, showing you before and after results and which thumbnails are bringing in the biggest views. Download thumbnails as PNG or JPEG so you can save thumbnails to your computer or phone and use them anytime, anywhere. Create your own thumbnail templates, allowing you to create branded thumbnails in seconds without starting from scratch every time. Plus, get exclusive access to our Real Images library with millions of licensed images for you to use for free in your thumbnails, saving you hundreds of dollars on stock images per month. With ThumbReel, there's nothing to download, install, or configure. Simply log into your account and start creating attention-grabbing thumbnails in minutes. And no monthly software fees either. ThumbReel is all yours for a one-time only investment if you're quick and order in the next few minutes. The truth is, ugly video thumbnails are losing you views and costing you money every minute. That's why your biggest competitors are using awesome thumbnails to reel in viewers, subscribers, leads, and sales today. Now you can level the playing field. Get the attention and views your videos deserve with the ultimate thumbnail creating shortcut for 2020. Plus, it gets even better. Lock in your ThumbReel license today and you'll also receive your very own commercial license for free, allowing you to make bags of cash designing awesome thumbnails for your clients too. Remember, ThumbReel allows you to recreate the exact thumbnails that the top YouTube channels are using to rake in millions of views, AdSense revenue, sales, and subscribers each month. You've worked hard to create awesome video content. Don't let that work go to waste with thumbnails that are robbing you of the views you deserve. Get ThumbReel today and start getting the views, subs, and income you deserve from your videos right now, without paying hundreds for stock images, complicated design tools, or freelancers. And remember, you'll love ThumbReel and the incredible video views it can bring you, or it's free. So don't wait. Get your ThumbReel with limited time free upgrade to commercial license today. This special founding user offer goes away soon. I can't wait to see you on the inside.